When it comes to maintaining a clean, hygienic environment, innovative sanitary ware solutions can make all the difference. Whether you're tackling stubborn dirt, cleaning hard-to-reach areas, or simply looking to make household chores easier, these 10 standout products offer powerful, effective, and comprehensive cleaning features. Each product has been designed to simplify your cleaning routine, enhance your home's hygiene, and ensure every surface shines. Here's a detailed introduction to each of the 10 sanitary ware products. One. This is Window Cleaner Robot with Auto Water Spray. The HUT W8 Window Cleaner Robot takes the hassle out of cleaning windows with its AI-powered suction adjustment, automatically increasing or decreasing its suction power from 1800 PA to 3800 PA based on dirt levels. Equipped with dual spray nozzles, it ensures wide coverage for wet wiping and spotless results. Its smart design applies either an S-shaped or N-shaped cleaning path for thorough cleaning, and a spot wiping mode removes stubborn grime. The advanced laser edge detection technology prevents falls and obstacles, making window cleaning a safe and efficient task. With voice prompts and a simple push-button operation, this device allows for seamless transitions between dry and wet wiping, ensuring streak-free windows every time. 2. This is Electric Spin Scrubber. This electric spin scrubber is a cleaning powerhouse, offering 3 adjustable spin speeds, 350 RPM for normal cleaning, 400 RPM for deep cleaning, and a whopping 1000 RPM for tough tasks. Its upgraded motor makes it perfect for tackling stubborn stains in kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas while protecting your hands from harsh chemicals. With up to 320 minutes of runtime, it ensures continuous cleaning without the need for constant recharging. An easy-to-read LCD screen shows battery life and speed settings, so you never lose track of power. Its smart storage base also keeps everything tidy, while its decorative design adds elegance to your space. 3. This is Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. The Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is a handy, battery-powered tool designed for on-the-go cleaning of small spaces. This cordless device is perfect for cleaning your desk, keyboard, or car, with its 360-degree rotatable nozzle, making it easy to reach difficult areas. It's surprisingly powerful for its compact size, capable of picking up crumbs, dust, and pet hair without waking the entire household. Quiet yet efficient, this mini vacuum's portability makes it ideal for students and the elderly, offering easy operation and fast cleanups wherever you need it. Made from high-quality clear plastic acrylic, it's both durable and chic. 4. This is 3-Spin Robot Mop. The 3-Spin Robot Mop redefines floor cleaning with its wheel-less design and powerful motor that drives 3 rotating mop discs. This ensures direct pressure on the floor for thorough scrubbing, removing even the most stubborn dirt. Its random movement pattern guarantees every area is cleaned, while the 2,150 mAh battery powers the robot for up to 120 minutes. The 300 milliliter water tank ensures that the mop discs remain damp throughout the cleaning process, providing consistent performance. Equipped with 11 sensors to avoid collisions and falls, this mop is ideal for navigating tight spaces and cleaning close to furniture edges. 5. This is Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The D-Bot T30S Combo offers a complete cleaning solution for your home, combining a powerful robot vacuum for floors with a handheld vacuum for other surfaces. Its bidirectional dust collection system automatically empties dust bins, saving time and effort. The hot water mop washing feature ensures that your floors are not only vacuumed, but also sanitized, with hot air drying for quick cleanup. With a powerful 11,000 PA suction and advanced TrueEdge technology, it leaves no corner untouched, offering 99% coverage of hard-to-reach areas. This multifunctional cleaning machine takes the stress out of maintaining a spotless home. 6. This is Smart Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Experience efficient and thorough cleaning with the Smart Stick Vacuum Cleaner, which delivers an impressive 150 watt of suction power. Its quick-speed 108,000 RPM brushless motor is paired with a long-lasting battery pack, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. This vacuum's multi-surface brush head easily adapts to different floor types, removing dust, hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors alike. The soft roller brush is gentle yet effective, while the dust removal hub ensures easy, hands-free maintenance. Equipped with an auto-empty feature and a space-saving charging dock, this cordless vacuum makes cleaning your home a seamless experience. 7. This is Automatic Trash Can. The AirDear Smart Trash Can takes the mess out of garbage disposal with its innovative self-sealing mechanism that automatically packs and replaces trash bags. With just one touch, this trash can seals your waste, making it easy to keep your hands clean and your space odor-free. Equipped with a sensor for touchless operation, simply wave your hand or bend your knee and the lid will open. This trash can also features voice prompts, guiding users through the process effortlessly. Its sleek design fits into any kitchen or bathroom, and the provided refill bags make trash duty hassle-free for months. 8. This is Cordless Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The BeatBot AquaSense Pro is a cutting-edge pool vacuum cleaner that combines advanced AI with superior cleaning power. It's the world's first robot capable of cleaning the pool floor, walls, waterline, and surface simultaneously. With a powerful 5500 GPH or water flow rate and dual roller brushes, it effortlessly captures debris like leaves, dirt, and even floating particles. Equipped with 20 smart sensors and an AI algorithm, it charts efficient cleaning paths and avoids obstacles. Its intelligent smart return feature ensures the robot surfaces automatically when it's finished or low on battery, making pool maintenance easier than ever. 9. This is Soap Dispenser. The 2-in-1 soap dispenser makes dishwashing a breeze, combining a soap holder and a calibrated dispenser into one convenient tool. With an 8.5 Fallotts capacity, it reduces the need for frequent refills, while its compact, leak-free design prevents spills. The sponge tray doubles as a soap dispenser, making it easy to control the amount of soap you use. Its slim design is perfect for any kitchen sink, offering both practicality and style. Easy to refill and maintain, this dispenser ensures that doing dishes is quicker and more efficient. 10. This is Multi-Surface Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Multi-Surface Handheld Steam Cleaner is your go-to tool for deep cleaning various surfaces, including grout, tiles, and upholstery. With 1,050 watts of power, it heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes and emits pressurized steam at 230 Vauer, removing tough stains, grease, and dirt. Its extra-large water tank provides up to 12 minutes of continuous steam, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The 11-piece accessory kit includes brushes and nozzles for targeting hard-to-reach areas, making it versatile enough to tackle bathrooms, kitchens, windows, and even cars. This steamer delivers chemical-free cleaning for a safe, sparkling finish. These innovative products redefine cleaning, making every task easier, faster, and more efficient. Don't wait. Choose the right tools for your home today and experience superior cleanliness like never before.